Down twice. Hey, nope. Nope.
I'd buy one, but I never go to sleep driving.
Go ahead, give it acceleration. Nope, go ahead. Will it? Yes, I scared him again. We got a lot of curse words out of this time.
It's getting trained today. I can click down twice.
Yep, whenever you want to. Nervous? You just took it out. You drive yourself. All right, do it again.
Wouldn't take me long to learn this sucker.
Mm-hmm.
Where'd it go?
Just getting in the middle.
Damn.
Cause it's got a left turn in 0.7 miles, so it got to
Okay.
get over one more lane, and it's doing it.
Lord have mercy. I ain't never seen it drive in town like this. Look
Yeah,
at this.
this gives a little bit, but it's still got to get over one more because it got 0.5 miles.
I'll never get used to it stopping like that. Yeah.
I know.
I like it in traffic. Shit, it knows some shit. You gonna buy nothing when this one wear out?
Man, I don't know. So we got half a mile. It's telling you to wheel check. Wheel check, Daddy. There you go. And let's see if it gets over. It should here in a sec. Let's hope. See, it's getting over.
That's what I'm talking about.
You see, it kind of did that a little bit,
Mhm.
but that's fine. Still got 0.3 miles. In that case, how it kind of slowed down, I would have
Mhm.
probably
Yeah,
put my
gas.
yeah. And it's saying you for your wheel check. Just down a little bit. There you go. You just watch it.
Oh, look at this shit here. That's scary.
I know. I don't know where it's going. I wanted to keep going. Everybody, this Ken. I thought I had this camera on, but I didn't. Wheel check. It's gonna have trying to get a little bit more traffic for my dad.
Look like it don't want me in traffic. Think I'm a nerd or something.
And you see the next turn, so it should be getting in this right lane hopefully here soon.
I need to help it.
Yep. No, I mean, you need to. It's telling you, are you there? Come on, Daddy, you're gonna give me a strike. No.
No, I was talking about.
No, it's still got half a mile. I mean, if you want to, you can tell it to change lanes. That's up to you.
I was watching the the
Oh, it's
lane
a bad
change.
road. Woo. We'll
They
check.
They didn't build them for bad work.
So remember you were saying in the first video how you could tell with the wheel track, but look, I gotta tell you every time because you're so scared. Do it.
I ain't paying enough.
I know it's difficult.
Too comfortable with it.
Got it. Got it. He thought he was all macho. Remember that wheel check in part 1, didn't you?
Yeah.
Got it, mama. Got it. It's probably every 15 seconds. Now it's gonna make a right turn up here.
Now, the only thing I don't, these them turn like it driving out in the traffic
I
scares
know.
me a little bit.
This one shouldn't be bad.
But I
because
ain't
it's gonna be a green light anyway. But it will turn right on red.
ain't that something? Thinking like a human.
Yeah. Just gotta supervise that mess.
I wonder if Eli got a human brain in here.
No. Knowing Elon, he probably do.
But that's
Probably
all right.
does.
Whatever he doing is a good thing for the world.
Yeah. All right, you scared? See how
No.
it turns.
No.
And once it turns, go ahead and check that wheel check. So see how it does that? Put your left turn signal on, Daddy. See, you're watching it. See what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna report that for you.
If it did then, it was that other.
It's the bike lane. It's not differentiating, like, you know.
It's messing up.
Well, look at that traffic up there.
Well, we finna see.
In 5.1 miles, so we're gonna go right through that. I think this is where I did one video, and it's like crooks and turns, but this will be like some good little traffic for you.
I'll tell you what,
Mhm.
this really will tell me what I like of one or not right here.
Yeah.
Got me on that, let me know whether I'm woke or not. That's what I like.
So,
Kind of scares me a little bit when
when it does that,
it
yes.
wobble a little
Right.
bit, but that's all right too.
But it stays on its path. But if it gets too crazy, just take over. You've been driving for a long time, you know.
Yeah, I like that. I just realized how important it is to stay alert.
That's
And
it.
that's the key to driving this one,
Yep.
or any,
Yep. I'm glad you said that.
because
That's true.
once you get too comfortable, that's when you can mess it up,
Yep.
or it'll mess you up.
And see, it really don't need to get in that lane, but we'll just let it do it. It seemed like it's like intersections or something. It's doing it.
Like it's more comfortable.
And see, it turned on the right turn, even though it wasn't gonna turn right, because we got like 4.3 miles.
That's all right. Guess we're gonna have to go and break down and get us one, cause I'm getting old and I ain't got time for all this acceleration and mess.
Get you the Standard Rain Plus. It'll go about 270 miles on one charge, and
In other words, you getting me, want to step me back and putting up in something.
hey, I'm
Up
trying
in-
to save
up.
you a little bit of
I
money.
ain't worried about no money. Get the best when you're getting.
Mom, what's wrong with this man? See, I need a little bit more traffic because he getting too comfortable.
Hell, I'm comfortable now. I'm gonna tell you, I'd buy one, but I'd never go to sleep driving it.
Yeah, I don't.
I
think
wouldn't care if it's full service driving or what. Well, that's the truth.
Yeah, I know. See it get in that lane.
I liked it there.
Sometimes, it should have been in past that van. So I would.
Didn't
but-
know I'm up in here, an old man driving and trying to protect me.
Oh man.
It's what I be watching right here.
Like when,
That truck coming out.
man, I wish we would turn right here.
No, I want to go down in yonder. No, that can't. That damn
issue.
that canyon. I've been through there.
I'm gonna route it back now because we're almost there. We're gonna I'm probably gonna just supercharge it a little bit. So I'm gonna route it back and see where it's gonna. See, it wants us to turn it. Nope. Let me just. It
Oh,
wants to get over.
I better hit brakes, huh?
No, give it a little acceleration. Go ahead, give it acceleration.
No.
Nope. Go ahead. Go, wheel it. You're too close
Oh,
to.
you put it on manual.
No, well, I took it off manual because we were getting too close to them.
Damn.
That was my.
Yo.
Yes, I scared him again.
Shit. What the hell you doing? Manual driving now.
Yeah, you. Hold on though. Go ahead and throw it back on though, because you're gonna get too close and I'm gonna get ding on follow distance. Yeah, go ahead.
Knock down.
Yeah, down twice. Hey, nope. Nope. You still had your hand on the wheel. So go ahead, do it again. I can tell you're a little nervous because
Hell yeah, I'm nervous. Shit.
Mom,
Especially that damn light.
he was trying to follow that route I put in there.
Well, you took it to the left, and hell, you made it do that.
The car did it. That was my fault because the car wanted to follow this
I
road.
said, shit.
I thought you was gonna let it hit the car.
No, I won't let it hit the car.
I know.
That tickled me. I said, what it doing?
It'll do that though. If it needs
You
to
made
get
it
in
go
lane.
to the left.
I told you I was gonna get you back.
Oh, shit, I thought you were gonna go on down.
No, we was already almost there.
Ooh, look at this shit here.
What?
Woo! I don't like this. I avoid these kind of roads.
Well, you don't have to drive it.
Hmm?
You don't have to drive. The car gonna drive. You just make sure it stays in this lane. Go ahead, give it acceleration.
What the fuck it do that for?
I told you it happens. You gotta be prepared for everything.
Damn. Something to get us killed. Stop in the middle of the road.
No, you're gonna kill us. If it start pushing on brakes, you just let it break out.
Yeah, well, it scared me then. Damn. Hello.
Yes.
Shit. Damn. It ain't did me like that all these
Yeah, because it was an easy route. That's what we're doing. We're trying to train it.
Okay.
We're training it.
It didn't train today. Keep your ass straight now.
Oh.
Shit.
Oh, man.
It got me there this time. Scared the shit out of me. Damn.
You were tripping me and Mama out, man.
Don't make me fool around. Not by one all this shit. I'm not driving.
You can manually drive.
I
it,
can
though. You
handle
don't
it,
have
but I
to.
don't want to manual drive.
Look how good it's doing these turns, Daddy.
Whew. It got me back there. That turn signal and that carrier just gonna stop. What's wrong with it?
But you know the turn signal or whatever it was.
Confused.
Because I changed the route.
Yeah, I said, hell, it's doing good.
But it did get around that car, though.
Oh yeah, it didn't make sure it didn't hit that car now.
So you got to give it credit for that.
You gotta give it credit for that.
I don't know where the heck we
But
are.
it was confused like hell. Though.
We'll close out the video well before then. Because I
Okay.
think I got my revenge.
You can't get back at me, cause hell, that's him scared me. No shit. I said, damn, what's it doing?
That's how I feel.
I'm bragging on it and shit, and it gonna do that. Yeah, I like it though. Still,
Right.
don't get me wrong.
So with since it's in beta and with the stuff you've experienced when I drive and when you drive, 0 to 10, what would you get it at this current state?
A 7.
I totally agree with you.
I'll give it a 7. That's
Yep.
about the best it can get right now that they get all this shit cleared up. Got your ass now. Don't
And
scare
400
me.
feet is supposed to be. There you go.
I like how it's doing.
See,
Oh,
kinda,
I don't like that damn pausing too hard though. Stop it. Alright, what you waiting on, brother? Let's go. So you can drive yourself, show me.
do that wheel check. And see, it keeps that right turn on till it completes the right
Mm-hmm.
or whatever.
Then pick it a little speed up. Now these carrier what got his ass a while ago. Sure be on the alarm on his ass.
It did handle that pretty good though, didn't
It
it?
handled it good. Back there it done well.
Alright, I think we had enough fun from Dad today. Dad, you want to say anything before we close it up?
Well, I can tell you, fan, I'm still gonna buy me one. Whether we get all the ticks worked out or not, I think I got enough of it now to handle it. Thank y'all for watching.
It don't take that long to get a feel of the system,
No.
right? We got a lot of curse words out of this time.